Becoming a music producer is an exciting journey that requires a combination of musical talent, technical skills, industry knowledge, and networking. Whether you're passionate about creating beats, arranging tracks, or guiding artists through the recording process, becoming a successful music producer involves a multifaceted approach. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the key steps and considerations to help you embark on your path to becoming a music producer. 1. Develop your musical skills. Begin by honing your musical abilities. Learn to play an instrument, study music theory, and familiarize yourself with various genres. A solid musical foundation is crucial for understanding composition, arrangement, and acquire technical proficiency. Invest time in learning the technical aspects of music production. Familiarize yourself with digital audio workstations, DAWs, mixing consoles, and recording equipment. Develop skills in sound engineering, audio editing, and mastering to enhance your overall production capabilities. 3. Build your home studio. Setting up a home studio doesn't have to be expensive. Invest in essential equipment such as a computer, quality headphones, a microphone, and audio interfaces. As you progress, you can expand your setup with studio monitors, MIDI controllers, and additional gear. Study music production. Consider enrolling in formal education programs or online courses to deepen your understanding of music production. Many institutions offer courses in audio engineering, music technology, and production. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Berklee Online provide flexible options for learn from the pros. Study the work of established music producers. Analyze their techniques, styles, and production processes. Attend workshops, conferences, and industry events to network with professionals and gain insights into the ever-evolving music production landscape. 6. Develop your unique style. While learning from others is essential, finding your unique sound is crucial. Experiment with different genres, sounds, and production techniques to discover your signature style. Your distinct approach will set you apart in the competitive music industry. Collaborate and network. Build a network within the music community by collaborating with artists, other producers, and industry professionals. Attend local events, join online forums, and use social media platforms to connect with like-minded individuals. Building relationships can lead to valuable opportunities and collaborations. 8. Gain practical experience. Apply your knowledge by working on real projects. Offer your services to local artists, friends, or aspiring musicians. Practical experience is invaluable for refining your skills and building a portfolio that showcases your work. Stay updated on industry trends. The music industry is dynamic, with technology and trends constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest advancements in production techniques, software, and industry standards. Continuous learning will keep you relevant and adaptable. Market yourself. Create a professional online presence through a website or social media platforms. Showcase your portfolio, share your journey, and engage with your audience. Utilize platforms like SoundCloud, YouTube, and Bandcamp to share your music and attract potential clients. Be persistent and patient. Success in the music industry takes time. Stay dedicated, be persistent, and embrace the learning curve. Celebrate small victories along the way and use setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Becoming a music producer is a rewarding but challenging endeavor. By combining musical talent, technical skills, continuous learning, and networking, you can navigate the competitive landscape and establish yourself as a successful music producer. Remember, the key to success is a passion for music, a commitment to improvement, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing industry.